Good day, luminaries. Welcome back to Legacy Frequencies. I'm so glad to be back in here and sharing some more transmissions. The last month, oh my goodness, um, so so eye-opening, so deep, and these next couple of transmissions um, kind of reflect on that because I didn't know really how to put it into words. There's been a lot of synchronicities lately and more in-depth conversations with friends and coworkers, and I got to attend my first drum circle, and that was a whole bag of emotion in itself that is just mm, really good. Really excited for the next one. Um, so today's title is The Biology of Coherence. Anchoring legacy frequencies in love. Thinking back on these reflections, I just wanted to have something to share to you in a way that it's allowed me to be in a place where I'm at because of how I've learned to cope with things over the last couple of years, and doing shadow work and feeling the depths of darkness, but still climbing through to see the light and understand that things are unfolding just as they should. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this transmission. The biology of coherence, anchoring legacy frequencies in love. There is a difference between love and light and coherence. Coherence is not bypassing darkness. It is not pretending everything is positive. It is not spiritual performance. Coherence is biological. It's what happens when your nervous system feels safe enough to organize itself. When your heart rhythm becomes smooth, when your breath slows, when your prefrontal cortex becomes online, when your body remembers it's not under threat, that it's love expressed as regulation. Section 1, the living mandala. We are all living mandalas. Cells communicating, neurons firing in patterns, heart rhythms entraining the brain, minerals conducting electrical impulses, breath modulating chemistry, plants offering co-regulation through phytochemistry and scent. And when we enter coherence, something extraordinary happens. The cortisol softens, inflammatory signals decrease, neuronal pathways synchronize, and the vagus nerve stabilizes. Presence becomes medicine, not metaphorically, physiologically. Section 2, darkness and homeostasis. There always be contrast, activation and rest, light and shadow, expansion and contraction. The problem is not darkness, the problem is dysregulation. Legacy frequencies is not about escaping contrast, it is about metabolizing it. Like soil composting decay into nourishment, your body is capable of alchemy. Section 3, the heart-mind coherence. When you sit in gratitude, you often soften into compassion when you breathe into your heart space. Your heart sends coherent signals to your brain, your nervous system entrains, and others feel it. Before words, before touch, presence reorganizes space. That is not mysticism. That is nervous system literacy. Section 4, plant and coherence. When you drink a mineral rich like nettles, when chamomile touches those GABA receptors, when you walk through fractal geometry, in a garden, your biology recalibrates. The garden is not decoration, it is regulatory architecture. The body is not separate from earth, it is the earth in cellular form. Join me in this closing activation by placing one hand on your heart. Breathe slowly. Imagine your heart rhythm smoothing like a gentle wave. You're not here to escape the storm. You're here to become the coherent center that teaches the storm how to reorganize. This is legacy frequencies, anchored in love, expressed through biology, alive in every cell. Breathe and remember, regulation is revolutionary.